Hello, this is David, and I will just be going over my little programming review here. So, right here we have the main method. It has these three different variable types. There's an int, a string, and a boolean. The boolean I haven't used in the code, so it's just underlined green. But uh, well, int is the variable type for integers or whole numbers, as we would normally say. Strings would be just text messages. In this case, this variable greeting contains the value of hello to it, and booleans are just true or false values. Um, so right here, I just manipulated the integer variable. So have xnum is xnum plus 3. Originally it would be 1, but then I asked the console to write what exnum is, so it should write 4, so the previous one with the 3. Then I have the console write the greeting, which is hello, plus whatever this text here is. So hello, this is my review program. Uh, I was trying to figure out what exactly was meant by create a shape using the for um, method, but I was going to just use an emoji first, but then I decided to actually draw a little triangle, and the way I did it is I literally just did the simplest way I could find. So I figured out what height I wanted and what width I wanted. Um, at first, the reason why I named these variables this was because I wanted to create a square. Um, but as I was playing around with the four um, conditionings here, I ended up getting a triangle, and I thought it looked nice enough. So what it does is every time that draw width is well, it sets draw width equal to 0, and then while draw width is lesser than the draw height, it increases the draw width value by 1. So it starts at 0, then 0 is smaller than 10, so you get 1, then you get 2, 3, and so on until you get 10. Uh, and then we have over here this int I equals 0, I is lesser than or equal to, I'll draw with, I plus plus, then I just write the drawing dot, which is just this thing over here. It makes more, I'm terrible at explaining what this does, but uh, you'll see. And here I called out I created a new class object, user for new user USR equals user input. Then I have this little method here under the class user. Uh, there's a few public values that can be changed by the other class, and yeah, we have this method here. It asks for the name. It doesn't accept blank names. Um, it also asks for the user's age, and then it confirms that. Then it asks you to type yes or no. It um, it compares whether the player actually likes the little demo. Then if the player says yes, then great. If the player says no, says anything else, then oh no. Let's just see this program running real quick. Here we go. The example number is now 4. Remember, it starts off at 1 and then we added 3 onto it. So this working out. Hello is the example greeting that we had. This what that other with thing did. So have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then it goes all the way up to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then, alright, so my name, David. Alright, with my age, I'm 22. Yes. All right, so there we go. Um, in order to accept both lower and case and high and uppercase, I just translate the string variable to so that it is all in uppercase, just to make it easier, so that I wouldn't have to type out yes in that many different formatings with lowercase letters, higher case letters, a mix of both, and etc. However, the player wants to write yes, the program could accept that. So that's that. I hope this is acceptable, and I'll see you in the next video.